If x over y equals to 4 and 24x over ny equals to 4, what is the value of n? Let me consider this equation, that is 24x over ny equals to 4. We can write this stuff as 24 over n times x over y equals to 4. And for this x over y, we have value, that is 4. We can plug in 4 for this x over y, then we get 24 over n times 4 equals to 4. Now let me multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 4. Here this 4 will cancel out. We get 24 over n on the left side. On the right side, this 4 will cancel out. We get 1. Now let's take reciprocal on both sides of this equation. The reciprocal of 24 over n is n over 24. And the reciprocal of this one is still 1. Now let's multiply both sides of the equation by 24. Then this 24 will cancel out. We get n on the left side. On the right side, 1 times 24 is 24. Here I got the value of n, that is 24.